As the data is growing at the speed of light, companies are looking at cloud-based data warehouse platforms to handle such massive data. Snowflake is one such cloud-based data warehouse platform that provides scalability, flexibility, and high performance. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this session where I will be talking about what exactly Snowflake is, the basic concepts of Snowflake, and what are the career opportunities in Snowflake. So, let us start with understanding what data warehouse is. What is data warehouse? A data warehouse is a central storage of information that can be analyzed to make informed decisions. The two main approaches used to build a data warehouse are one ETL extract, transform, and load, and two ELT extract, load, and transform. Now let us look at the different cloud-based data warehouse tools available in the market. Amazon Redshift, Azure SQL Database, Google BigQuery, SAP HANA, Snowflake. Now we must understand what makes Snowflake an programming, Node.js, etc. The last point that makes Snowflake unique is zero administration cost. In Snowflake, you don't need to worry about software updates, configuration, or scaling your infrastructure as your datasets and users increase. Snowflake supports advanced features like auto-scaling warehouse size, big data workloads, auto-suspense, and data sharing. Considering that you have understood why one should go for Snowflake, let's learn what exactly it is. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform that allows businesses to store, analyze, and share data easily. It is a fully managed service that enables users to load data from various sources, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Snowflake is the only data warehouse platform that can be used as a data lake or a data warehouse. Snowflake offers real-time data integration, querying, and ingestion at an enterprise level. For example, the Snowflake Kafka connector reads the data from multiple Kafka topics and loads it into the Snowflake table. In Snowflake, data is automatically encrypted through AES-256 robust encryption and is encrypted in transit. Support for standard SQL. Besides standard DDL and DML commands, Snowflake supports advanced DML commands like multi-table insert, merge, and multi-merge. Advanced security features. Snowflake has various advanced security features. We can handle network policies by enlisting the IP address to restrict access to your account. Snowflake supports different authentication methods like two-factor authentication and support for the SSO using federated authentication. Cloud-based, so there is no hardware or software to maintain. Snowflake is introduced as software as a service. It does not need any software to be installed or hardware to be licensed. It allows you to set up and handle the solution without any intervention from IT teams or DBA. Scalability. Snowflake's auto-scaling feature allows you to scale up the resources when you require vast amounts of data to be loaded rapidly and scale down the resources when the process is completed without interrupting the services. It also allows you to start and stop the clusters automatically. Advantages of Snowflake. Lower costs due to its cloud-based model. Snowflake is a cost-efficient data warehouse platform, and its pricing differs from other vendors. It enables the storage of an unrestricted amount of data at a reasonable cost. The users have to pay for the storage and computing they utilize. Faster data processing times. Snowflake can manage multiple kinds of data. We can load our data into Snowflake for performing any type of analytics, like predictive, prescriptive, and descriptive. Higher scalability. One of the most remarkable aspects of Snowflake is its higher scalability. There are no fixed Snowflake warehouse sizes. The software is developed to expand with your enterprise, indicating that it can manage increasing data as your enterprise grows. Improved security. Many enterprises contain critical data and need it to be secured appropriately. Snowflake provides IP whitelisting to restrict data access to only trusted and authorized users. Flexibility to easily add or remove resources as needed. Snowflake offers the flexibility to add or delete the resource as per the workload. Advanced analytics capabilities. Snowflake's advanced analytics capabilities will help you achieve in-depth insights, recommend action plans, and make predictions. So these are all the benefits of using Snowflake. Now let us see what are career opportunities in Snowflake. As Snowflake becomes increasingly popular, there are many career opportunities in this field. Snowflake is used in 241 of Fortune 500 companies, so Snowflake developers and data engineers will have huge demand. Anyone who wants to start their career in Snowflake will have different job roles like Snowflake Developer, Snowflake Architect, Snowflake Data Engineer, Data Analysts, Cloud Engineers, Solutions Architects. With this, we conclude today's session, and I hope you had a great time learning and understanding about Snowflake, and you now have a fair knowledge of what is Snowflake and what are its features and advantages of Snowflake. If you have any queries, please put them in the comments section below.